Check that nice little view out. All the lovely boats. That's the River Tyne, by the way, and it's right next to our new unit. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This one's a really big one for us because we've mentioned a couple of times on the videos that, you know, we want a unit, want to expand, have some space. That plus we need space for, you know, storage stuff for our business as well. So today's the day where we'll eventually get the keys to our new unit.
What's in here, okay? What's in here? Got the lights on or off?
Oh, I'm nervous. Check it out.
Huge.
It's huge, isn't it? It's deceivingly big.
It's big. You know them ramps you got?
Them ramps?
There.
We actually videoed the ramp video ages ago now. Went down to meet Tom and get them, but didn't want to put it out because didn't want to do the whole, oh, we've got these ramps, because we still literally, honestly, did not have a place for them. But I just put that out the other day purely because we sort of had a bit of an inkling that we're getting this unit, so I thought it would tie in nicely. But this is it.
Home for DT.
Ta-da! It's a big boy, there's no doubt about it. This unit is about 15 meters by 15 meters. I think it's 240 square meters. It's huge, absolutely huge. And you might think, oh God, it might be too big, or you might be thinking that, well, how are you going to do that? Surely that cost you a fortune. But it's actually very reasonable, and it made complete sense that we, you know, integrate both with business, with storage, all that type of stuff, with a place where we can do this as well. So, oh, it's really exciting. But it is huge, and because it is so huge, we're actually going to be doing a bit of a unit share with one of our pals, Baz. Yeah, this is absolutely huge, but it's not all going to be for us. There is going to be other stuff going on here, other stuff that we'll probably be able to make content on as well, so it should be pretty cool. So check it out, there's easily like 1, 2, 3, 4 bays here, and the unit isn't exactly in the best of condition. As you can see, it does need a good refresh. But we're going to do all that, that's part of the agreement. We're getting this unit at a very good price, but it does mean that we're going to have to invest a little bit in it, so we'll be painting all of this. I really like nice, clean places. If this place was minging, I wouldn't want to come to it. I'd rather just stay in the house. So it has to be immaculate. So we're going to do all the stuff like prepare and paint the floor. We've got the ramps to go in, obviously. That worked out really well. Yep. Really, really well. But yeah, painting all the floors, all the rest of it, looking really pretty. Baz is going to get this bit over here. This is like a nice big corner here. And by the time he sections that off, it's probably going to be like a big double garage type of space, won't it?
Yeah, two cars at least, isn't it?
Yeah, easy, aye. And the reason that there's like building materials type stuff here is because the landlord, Keith, really, really cool guy, he's going to put some columns up here to do some roof work. I did say it's not perfect, and because of that, there's going to be a few little ongoing things that need to happen, which means that we actually get this unit rent-free for a little bit of time. So it means that we've got a little bit of leeway to really do all the stuff that we need to do, and it's not going to cost us. So that's a really cool thing about it.
So huge, you can have racking, all that, you know, a good bit of racking, bench, one of your ramps there, another ramp there, up there, dyno up there.
A dyno.
Literally then still have all of that space there. Yeah. Baz still has his corner.
He's got big plans, doesn't he?
still haven't looked over here.
And this is the mad thing, we're actually going to have little offices as well. There's a little office block here. So there's a couple of offices, there's toilets, there's a little bit of kitchen area. We're going to have a look at it now.
So this is where I'm having my sitting room.
Aye.
So, you know,
so Spencer's camp bed will be about there. You'll have a telly on the wall. Is that going to be your huffy room?
Yeah, Wallace will have a bed there. The dog. Another room, similar size.
Isn't it?
A little bigger, office type room.
Wow.
There's a sink and stuff, and a toilet back here.
There's a toilet in there.
There's a little poppy.
I didn't even know there was a toilet in there.
Teeny tiny toilet.
A teeny tiny toilet.
And a sink.
Is that a kitchenette?
Kitchenette.
A kitchen, but much smaller.
Of the teeny tiny toilet.
Alright. Well, I'll take that toilet.
There's another toilet.
And you can take that toilet.
Oh, do we even go in here? Oh, there's no light. Oh, it's scary.
No, the light does work, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, you can have that potty.
Oh my god.
You can have that potty.
This is like train spotting. Oh, what went wrong in here, man? Lovely.
It's got a mirror.
Oh, so you can, at least you can see the shite reflected.
Yeah. We'll turn that light off for now.
There's no doubt about it, it's Megan, it needs work. There's going to be some bits that we have to do just to make it nice for us, because I mean that's acceptable to some people, but I like a nice white porcelain when I have to go, so, and let's face it, that's blatantly your toilet.
I'll use the time.
One of the really cool things is that the whole unit has got 3-phase power, so we can run 3-phase stuff, which is mint because 3-phase gear is way cheaper than, you know, single-phase, DIY, home, hobby type stuff. The 3-phase stuff, we're going to have loads of 3-phase tool and stuff in here that we just can't have in the garage at home, so this is like a big step up. Plus another good thing is that roof on top of the office bit there, that's all a really strong roof. The lads that had this unit beforehand, they were storing engines and all sorts up there. So the whole place is just that little bit grubby, but that's a solid roof, so we can use that for storage as well, which will really help out. It's got loads going for it, this unit. It's just mint. And when we seen this ages ago, we've been trying to do a deal on this unit. It's took this long. I just knew straight away, it's just the right size, it's got all the right bits. Just imagine we chuck a load of time and effort at this, get it all painted nice and white, nice floor, get the ramps in, we'll be able to have our projects here, we'll have it all alarmed, monitored, cameras, the lot, it'll be mint. But there is some bad things about this unit. The floor's one, the floor isn't the greatest, there's loads of dips that we'll have to fill in, and the worst part about this floor is that it's actually quite thin. To fit a ramp you need about 6 inches of concrete, whereas the landlord has already told you that he thinks this is only about 3, maybe 4 inches. So straight away to even just install the ramps, we're going to have to cut the floor, dig it out, fit like concrete sort of foundation boxes in the floor, so just so they're stable enough for the ramps. But check that one as well. Lovely. So the guys that had the unit before us, they used to break cars, so the whole place is pretty grubby, to be honest. It's going to take an intense amount of scrubbing to sort it out, and we did do a little bit just the other day. Plus there's this like horrible asphalt type covering on this side of the unit that we're going to have to hack up just to make the floor nice and level. It's going to be mint. Ramp set up, projects, new projects, because we're already sort of, you know, thinking and, you know, on the way with that as well. So we're going to have new projects. It's going to be mint. It's going to be really mint.
What four-wheel driving me go?
No.
Bogsy the bottom corner.
You Bogsy the bottom corner.
Bottom corner's mine.
He reckons anyway. We'll see. Plus it is a little bit dingy in here, so straight away we're going to have lights along the beams. I've already measured out for that. That is absolutely going to have to happen, because I like it to be nice and lit as well. It's actually quite warm in here, isn't it? It's really well insulated, this place. Can you see the light? The roof also needs a little bit of attention, but the landlord has got full intentions of completely re-roofing this. Not straight away, but, you know, soon-ish, I think. And I think we can live with like a couple of little leaks on the floor, as long as it doesn't, you know, drip on my projects.
Can't have that. Can't have the Lupo getting wet.
Can't have the Lupo.
Know? Not that it does, not because it lives in the garage, doesn't it?
Now the Lupo is going to live down here, there's no doubt about it. The track car will live here. So getting on to like how we're going to, you know, how we're going to have such a big unit, how we're going to be able to afford it. It's such a big jump, and it is. It's a proper big scary jump. But like I say, half of this unit is going to be, you know, a bit of storage, plus we need workshop space for work anyway, so straight away we need a workshop. Well, you know, we need one for decimal tens too. We need storage for work, so I think over there is going to be the work storage bit. Yeah. That'll be pretty cool. That'll help out massively, which means that we've got this massive floor area, Baz to have his area and you know, have access to it fully, and then we'll have the bays, and you know, there's probably no doubt about it, we'll end up doing little jobs for people, because we'll get asked all the time if we can do this, can we do that. I think, you know, we've got some spare time, so we're going to put it into this place. So chances are maybe 1 or 2 days a week we're going to be down here. This we don't really have any like solid plans on what it's going to be or what we're going to do, but I think we're definitely going to be here either working on our cars or possibly helping other people with their cars as well. It'll help keep the, you know, the upkeep of the unit and what have you, because there's no doubt about it, these things cost, don't they?
So, you know, when Betty needs our brake pads, are you going to put new brake pads in for her?
No, absolutely not. we've got no interest in putting, we're not going to be doing general mechanics thing. Please don't message her, you know, like, oh, if you're going to be doing it, will you do it for me but cheaper? It's not going to happen. Got no interest in doing maintenance, general stuff. I like the nice bits, to be honest. I like the wiring stuff, I like the conversion stuff, the turbos, the welding, the fabrication. We'll do bits of that anyway off camera for people, so it would be nice to just have it in the unit basically. And I think that basically we've done the maths. I think we can sustain this no problem. So yeah, it is daunting, it is mad, but oh, it could be amazing, man, couldn't it?
What about when people want you to fix their car in Sweden over the internet? Are you going to use the office for that?
Yeah, well, we'll probably need this space here for the Swedish people and all the other people.
No, I can't fix a car over there.
Well, maybe this is a good time to say this, actually. I get lots and lots of messages, oh, you know, I've got this problem with my car, it's underperforming, it's this, what do you think? And like, honestly, I can't diagnose your car over the internet, man. You know what I mean? If you're going to message us and say you like the channel or you like what we're doing and maybe that can help you with a little thing, then yeah, but please just don't message us about that. So that's it, I think, just a really quick little video just to show you the unit, show you what, you know, we think, you know, the face of decimal tenths will be in the coming, you know, weeks, months, years, who knows. We don't have any like fixed plans on this, but we have thought about it a lot, and we're going to make it work, man. We're going to make it work.
The face is green and it's a frog.
Oh yeah, well the was not going anywhere. So yeah, I think that's it. We're just going to give you a little look on the unit, let you know what it looks like. It is a bit of a tip at the minute. There's no doubt about it. We are going to have to put some work into this place over the next coming weeks, months, what have you, and hopefully by the end of it we'll have a nice, clean, multi-purpose workshop where not only us, but you know, also our friends and, you know, potential other people could come and enjoy it with us. There's definitely straight away we're going to try and do the mucky stuff, so we're going to have to cut the floors, decide where the ramps go, all the rest of it. Hopefully we'll get an idea on what that's going to look like today, and that's it. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, hope you've liked the little insight into DT for the future, and as always, thanks. See you on the next one.